with Mount Airy violins and bows. In this, our next installment of our secret summer sale, we are featuring this viola. It's an American handmade instrument by Richard Welde, made in 1996. Now Richard has kind of an interesting story. He's an engineer by trade and an entirely self-taught luthier. And considering the fact that he hasn't had any formal training as a luthier, the fact that this instrument is as good as it is pretty amazing. Now what I like about this instrument is that it has a big, powerful sound. It makes it a lot of fun to play. And I think it would be a really great instrument for a high school-aged orchestra player. Now, our list price for this instrument is $4,000, but we are offering a 20% discount. That's $800 off, making the price $3,200. So if you're interested in checking out this viola or our other sale items, give us a call. Come on down to the shop. We'd be happy to see you.